Okay, day 2, my second day here, and it's 9 o'clock in the morning and we're off into the forest. There's the 3 girls. Oh, where are the guys gone? Oh, over there. Okay. The other 3 are already ahead of us, so I'm just waiting for the 3 ladies, the gossip girls we call them. They like to take their sweet old time. We're going down to the river today so we can have a swim, which I'm going to film later on. Okay. What are they? They stopped very suddenly. What are they looking at?
Waiting for lotus.
Oh, waiting for... Oh, okay. Come on, ladies. It's going to be a 3-hour walk to the river. And it's going to be a very hot day today. Okay. I'll see you all down at the river. Come on, babies.